Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that big Stihl 090 chainsaw. This one features a 42-inch barred chain. That's a sprocket nose. 404 skip sequence. Skip meaning there's space between the teeth. Chisel bit. Chain is used, but in good shape. And this saw runs good. It's been in storage for many years. It has been rebuilt previously and fine-tuned. I'll show you a couple features it has. Choke's right here. And there is a hairline crack right here. Doesn't affect the running or anything on this saw. It's on that top cover here. It does have a throttle lock. Squeeze the trigger and push that lever in, that throttle locks it. Manual override on the oiler, automatic and manual. Gas reservoir is right back here. Large falling spikes. And here's this muffler. This is one of those tuned mufflers that you could buy back in the 70s for these saws. Especially built for the 090. Really makes that motor perform. And to adjust the tension on the bar, you just loosen the two nuts up. Right on the inside there is the tensioner screw right there. Got the wrap handlebar, there is a weld on it. Extra support. And your oil reservoir right here, the fill. Just a very good running big saw. This was the big one that Stihl made. They're German muscle saws, we call it. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.